Hi y'all, welcome to another video. Today we are doing a clean with me, and this is just everything I got done in a day. So the night before I did not do my nighttime reset, and I needed to do it in the morning, and then I wanted to do my regular morning routine where I hit all the bedrooms as we get ready, and then I actually still had the time and energy to also hit the playroom. So we basically got to every single room today, and I cannot wait to take you guys with me if you need the ultimate motivation. This is a day where I really got a lot done, which I can safely say doesn't happen every day. So today we did it. So I'm starting in the living room. This is before anyone even had breakfast, coffee, anything. My toddler was up, but the baby wasn't quite up yet. So I wanted to just quickly pick up, vacuum, do the quick mop with my O-Cedar quick mop, and get everything nice and clean so that my baby, when he was up, would have like a clean floor to be on. And then what do you know, he didn't even want to be put down when I got him out of his crib. So I did the rest of the cleaning with him in my arms, just wiping stuff down. But as you can see, I put on Bluey for the toddler before I started this so that he could just run around on the couch before I could just quickly get this done and make him some breakfast. And I just want to keep it 100% real with you guys that is life sometimes. Sometimes you really just need to get something done, and it's not a humongous deal. Doing this reset takes me maybe 30 to 45 minutes. It is not a big deal for the toddler to be watching Bluey while he has some pancakes. And after I give the baby the bottle, he's going to be, on the floor. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. You got to get stuff done as a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home parent. And sometimes the TV is like your best little helper. It's the best babysitter sometimes. So I stuck on the Bluey, vacuum and quick mop the living room, and I wiped down the surfaces with my Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray, and that was the living room tidied. Of course, this is not like a crazy deep clean or anything. We have one coming because you guys, I desperately need to clean under my couch. There's like a million toys under there, but that'll be a different day, a different video. Trust me, it's coming. But today it's just a reset and a tidy, and that is fine. It keeps everything nice and clean and tidy for the kids to play and to not drive me insane, basically. So after I give the baby the bottle, get the toddler some breakfast, they're in the living room playing, watching Bluey, crawling around on the ground, throwing their toys all over the place, and I'm going to tidy up the dining room table now. It has obviously become a catch-all. There's shirts drying on the chairs, the back of the chairs. There's plates from breakfast. There's a diaper bag that has exploded. Just cleaning everything up, taking it where it needs to go, and then wiping down the table again with the Miss Meyer's cleaning spray. A nice, quick, clean, and tidy. And it's kind of like making your bed. When you clear off the dining room table, it like instantly makes everything else around it look so much cleaner because it's just a clean blank space. Does that make sense? So now we're on to the kitchen and basically just doing the same process with the island. I always start with the island because then I know, it takes like 5 seconds. I pick the things up, put them where they go, throw the trash away, wipe it down with the Miss Meyer spray, and then I at least have one perfectly clear, clean surface in the living room or in the kitchen. So if I do get stopped by my kids in the middle of cleaning to make them a snack or do whatever needs to be done, I have a clear space in the kitchen to do that. So that's why I love to start on the island. And then I'm going to start loading the dishwasher. I needed to unload it really quick and then load the dishwasher with all the dirty dishes. And I didn't think I had enough dishes to do a whole new load, but apparently I did. So I am doing the dishwasher completely full, starting a new cycle, and then I'm just hand washing a couple of items that have to be hand washed that either aren't dishwasher safe or that I need faster than the dishwasher can get them done. So a couple knives, and then I'm putting 3 of the baby bottles in the dishwasher and then hand washing one of them because I'll probably need it, like I said, before the dishwasher's done. The baby's going to need another bottle and a nap. So I just have to make sure that is ready for me. And then I'm just going to scrub out that sink really, really well. It is like the middle of the morning, so I'm not going to like deep clean my sink because stuff is going to be put in it all day. I like to deep clean my sink at night if I can. So I'm just going to give it a quick clean with some Dawn dish soap and my sponge. Rinse that all down, and then I'm going to wipe down all of the surfaces, the sink, the counters, the stovetop, all that stuff. Again, with the trusty old Miss Meyer's multi-purpose cleaning spray. After that is all said and done, now I'm going to also get the dining room and the kitchen floor cleaned up. I'm going to vacuum and quick mop those. I just did the hallway off camera because it's just like this little strip of hallway, and you can see my little baby in his walker. I just try to keep it totally real with you guys. I don't film on like super specific days when like my kids are out of the house or anything. I do not have that kind of help, and some days this is what the day looks like. My baby's in a walker, the kids are just kind of running around, and I'm just kind of cleaning around them basically, and it just has to get done sometimes. It had been raining for like 3 days before this, and I just had to get the floors done. There's mud and dog hair and dirt everywhere, and I just do not want to walk on that all day. I don't want my baby crawling on that all day. So it just needs to get done. So we're going to finish that off and move on to the next room. If you've seen one of my more recent cleaning videos, you will know that my usual morning cleaning routine, I will basically start in the master bathroom and bedroom, get myself ready, then clean those rooms, and then do the same for the kids, get them ready, clean their room and their bathroom, and then I do the guest room last. But today I just wanted to work in reverse just because I was thinking I wouldn't have enough time to actually get to it during the day or during nap times or whatever. So I was going to basically end my day by getting the kids ready for bed and then cleaning their room and then getting myself ready for bed and then cleaning their room. And then I accidentally had time to do it all in like one nap time. But anyway, I'm starting in the guest room, and it is otherwise untouched except for my desk. So I'm just cleaning up my makeup desk and moving on to the guest bathroom, which is also the kids' bathroom and the bathroom that my husband gets ready in the morning so that he doesn't disturb us and wake anyone up. He just goes to this bathroom because it's like far away from all the bedrooms and stuff. So I'm just going to scrub out the sink because it really, really needed it, and then wipe everything down and wipe it down with Lysol wipes as well, like I like to do, and just put away all the things that get left out on the counter. And then, of course, take out the trash if I see that it needs to get taken out, which it did. It was pretty much full. Refill toilet paper if that needs to get done. And then I also needed to kind of rinse down the tub after bath time. I didn't really like rinse it or, whatever. I put away the toys, but you know how the soap, like the bubbles from the bubble bath kind of linger around sometimes. So I just wanted to rinse that down really, really well and then close the curtain and let that dry without getting that soap residue dried on the bottom of the bathtub. And then I just spray my little air freshener, which is AKA a body spray that I just haven't been using. And then I realized that I had gotten a bunch of fake tan on these drawer, like the front of the drawers and stuff. So I just quickly wiped those down and then sprayed that air freshener and moving on to the next room. So this was during a nap time, so I didn't have time to do the kids' room today. That is the only room that I don't get done today in this video, which is pretty good for me. Like normally I only can get like to half of my house in one day. So now I'm just moving on to my bedroom, which I had already made the bed just so that I would have a place to put all these clean towels that I hadn't folded yet. So whatever, I had made it earlier and then just dumped all these towels on top of it. So now I'm just folding the towels. These are my cleaning towels, my rag towels. Like I said, I have these rag beach towels that are like falling apart and really old. I use those to dry my dogs off after they come in from a rainy day. I have cleaning towels, kitchen towels, and then a separate load that I had washed of our like towels that we use after baths and showers and stuff. So I'm just getting everything folded, put away where it needs to go, and then I need to clean up my bathroom as well. It's technically like the master bathroom, so it's me and my husband's bathroom, but like I said, he mostly gets ready in the morning in the other bathroom, so this bathroom has become mine. I have taken over it. He can use it in the evening, but it's mostly my stuff in here, so I just need to clean up my stuff, put everything where it goes, and wipe off the counters as per usual. And then last but certainly not least, I actually had the time and energy to get to the playroom today, and it is a disaster, let me tell you, but that's kind of how it always is because I don't tidy my playroom every single day. I really don't see the point. For me, we specifically made this room a playroom so that it could keep this mess contained to this room and instead of all over the house like it was in our last place. So I only clean it about every 3 days, or just like pick up the toys, put them all away, and vacuum. My kids play really rough and they like to make big messes and pour things out and stack things together and throw stuff. And that's what the playroom is for. So yeah, here I am picking everything up. It did get extremely bad this time. It's not normally this bad after 3 days, but whatever, just let him do. And then here I am. I found a brown recluse, you guys. Oh my gosh. And it was huge. It doesn't look huge on the camera, but it was actually pretty big, and I had to kill it. I'm so sorry if people think that that's messed up, but brown recluses are dangerous. They're poisonous to human beings. And fun fact about me, when I was little, I was in like 2nd or 3rd grade, I got bit by a brown recluse. And of course I didn't die, obviously, but it hurts so bad. The initial bite hurts so bad, and the aftermath of it lasts like weeks. So I'm obviously not going to let that linger around in my house. I killed it, especially in the playroom. Obviously, that's very likely to bite my 3-year-old, and that would be a humongous problem, obviously. So I had to kill it, and then I pulled out all the boxes, made sure there's no nests, there's no other webs, there's no other spiders, pulled out the kitchen, vacuumed, everything that was left over. It had a little snack in its web. Yeah, it was disgusting. So yeah, had to take care of that. Was not expecting that on this day, but we got it taken care of, and now I'm just putting everything back. And that right after this, I was Googling spider traps, spider repellent. Yeah, I was Googling that furiously after this. Totally creepy. I haven't seen any spiders in our house, and then boom, the first one I see, it's a freaking poisonous brown recluse. Not good. So put all the toys away, hit it with the vacuum. I'm not going to wipe anything down today because I was literally like freaking out and sweating after that. Some days I do bust out that Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray and some room freshener and give her a good wipe down and a good spray down, but that is all for today. Hopefully you guys found this video fun, helpful, motivating. If you're cleaning along with me and you are still going, I have a whole list of videos that you can click on right here and keep that cleaning going, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.